So it's been a minute and I've got to update you on an amazing discount that you get in the state of Florida when you buy a home as your primary residence. It is called Homestead Exemption. And this is super important, guys. Why would you do this? Because it caps your property taxes. In Florida, we go through these boom bust cycles where property values really accelerate. And this will not allow your taxes to go up more than 3% per year. One time when I had first bought my home, it was way back in '04, right before the boom, my property taxes doubled and that directly impacted my monthly payment. My monthly payment went up by a couple of $100s, so super important. The other thing when you have your homestead exemption is protection. If you have debts, credit card debts and things like that, they cannot go after your home. So you have some protections because your primary residence is covered under homestead exemption.